Let's begin here. The Madlanga Commission of Inquiry facing another legal battle. This time, businessman and ANC member Suleiman Carrim wants to interdict a subpoena compelling him to appear before the Commission this Friday. Carrim is arguing that the Commission relied on the wrong rules in issuing the subpoena. Newzroom Afrika's Juniour Khumalo joins us live from the High Court in Johannesburg with the latest there. So, Juniour, good morning. The Madlanga Commission and the chairperson itself says that this bid to block the Commission from questioning Suleiman Carrim about his relationship with Vusumuzi Cat Matlala is a manifest abuse of process.
Indeed, Michelle, that's the argument that is being made by the Madlanga Commission. They are also challenging the agency that he is saying the court must hear the matter, because he applied for this case actually to be heard under an agent court application. The Madlanga Commission basically saying that this is a self-inflicted agency because they informed him as far back as last year, November, that he should appear before the commission, and he could have easily taken that matter to court then, but he has decided basically to wait until now to approach the High Court. So they are saying that this matter should not be heard today. It is not urgent at all, and they were not even given enough time basically to respond to some of the facts that he has laid down in this particular case. But Suleiman Carrim himself was basically implicated by two witnesses before the Madlanga Commission. One of those witnesses was Witness X. Witness X testified on behalf of crime intelligence boss Dumisani Khumalo when Khumalo fell ill and could not attend the proceedings before the Madlanga Commission. There was then that Witness X who worked closely with Khumalo, who testified before the commission, basically implicating Carrim, saying that the text messages between him and Vusumuzi Cat Matlala, which were obtained after the confiscation of Mr. Matlala's phone soon after he was arrested, basically show that he was helping Matlala when it comes to invoicing for that 360 million rand tender that he had obtained from the SAPS. They also claim and say that there is proof of bank statements that suggest that Mr. Carrim received about 1.5 million rands from Mr. Matlala after he had received monies from that particular tender. He's not contending this. Mr. Carrim is agreeing that he did receive about 1.5 million, but he seems to claim that he had invested about 10 million rand when it comes to that particular tender. So basically, he made a loss when it comes to all of the allegations that are being raised against him. But the main complaint, Michelle, about the proceedings of the Madlanga Commission is that the Madlanga Commission itself failed first to basically submit that Rule 3 to inform him that there were witnesses that were going to implicate him when it comes to their testimony. His legal representatives say they should have been told before those witnesses appeared before the Madlanga Commission so that they could be there during those proceedings and cross-examine those individuals. They are also claiming that the Commission itself is relying on the wrong rules when it comes to him appearing before the Commission. They are saying that a witness before the Commission can either submit an affidavit or appear in person, not both. But the Commission seems to suggest otherwise, Michelle.
Yeah, and of course the other complication here, Junior, is the fact that the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry is set to complete its work. Look, that's still up in the air. There may well be an extension, just given how the work of the Commission is progressing. But it is set to complete its work in March.
Indeed, for now, it seems that the Commission is expected to finish its work on the 16th of March. But we understand that there is going to be those talks between Madlanga, the Justice, as well as the President. This was indicated by the spokesperson of the Commission last week, after the President basically indicated that there will be that special investigation team. But the challenge, Michelle, when it comes to the Commission, it's how quickly it was set up. The Commission was set up without an investigating capacity. It was set up also very quickly, and they had to call in witnesses without alerting certain individuals that those certain witnesses are going to implicate them in the proceedings. Even Madlanga himself last year, speaking to the evidence leaders, raised this as a potential point of people approaching the courts and challenging the proceedings of the court. So that was the particular challenge. So even now, we will hear this proceedings. We are expecting court to get underway at about 10 o'clock, Michelle.
Right, Juniour Khumalo is live to us there at the High Court. Juniour, thanks for that update.